Yeah, Hawk next.
Alright. Fly's going for a ride. Don't do that.
Did you check yours?
Yeah. That would be pretty sweet. Oh, the F5 would be awesome in that size. Fei Bao has one that's Taylor on only. Yeah. Fei Bao. The wind is just right. It's gonna stop. I'm gonna be really low and close. Slow.
See that, Micah? Stuff like that.
How you don't panic and just kind of move a little to the side.
You need to know you're a flying buddy.
Exactly. That's the most important part. I don't think you need to worry about it.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
No. It does with the new setup. I'm climbing full. I'm climbing right here. Wind's gonna be crazy. Nope. Just today. Alright, we're gonna stick together again? It's supposed to be like 30 miles an hour. Oh, it is there.
I'm gonna have to change this power system.
The F-18 is just such a cool thing.
Thank you, Ray. That other motor that I ordered is gonna go in this thing.
Good.
This can't happen.
I got the fan if you want it.
How come you didn't put lights in yours, Ray?
I have it. I just got to redo it. May as well wait for you. There you are.
What the hell is my jet doing?
The wind, it's a weird wind. It'll have a tailwind, then a headwind, then a tailwind, then a headwind.
Five, four,
Gonna do a downwind pass.
Alright, wait for me.
That was cool. We didn't even try it. And it worked. Alright, I'm coming in. Woo! That's fun. It does, that's why I don't like flying slow. It'll do that weird flop. Oh, you did the same thing I did. Nice. Very nice. Ooh, it didn't spin, it didn't flip. Nice.
Oh, no flap landing.
Oh, yes, that you can get high alpha with no flaps. That was fun. It's kind of all over.
This system's gonna go.
It's gotta go.
It's gotta
And I
go.
noticed, I'm like, when I flew it, I'm like, ugh.
It's gotta go.